Let's play a guessing game. To school or Lucas Stabilizer. It's to school. Did you win? Is it Megalodon or Tiger Shark? It's Megalodon. Did you guess? Is it Kraken or Dragon? Did you guess that it was Dragon? Is it Spider-Man or Batman?
Huh?
It's Batman! Is it Cajun Crush or Demo Derby?
Huh?
Yep, it's Cajun Crash. Let's think, Gravedigger or Zombie? Meow. Nice, it's Gravedigger. Two yellow choices, El Toro Loco or Dragonoid. Yes, it's Dragonoid. This one's so easy. Is it Mohawk Warrior or Max D? Easy peasy, Mohawk Warrior. This one's difficult. Is it Got a Dump or Earthshaker? Earthshaker, you're the best. Almost done now. Taxi cab or higher education? Did someone call for a cab? Let's think. Bone Shaker or We'll Trash It All? Hey, I know this one. Who got this one right? Oh no, it's the last one. Is it Son of a Digger or Grave Digger? You know this one. It's Grave Digger.